Welcome. In this video, we will show you the main functions and how to use the Metrology M20 EPS Fusion Strength Column Tester. The Fusion Strength Index of expanded polystyrene parts and other low-density expanded thermoplastics represents the local percentage of cells that effectively welded to neighboring cells. This index is a function of several variables of the thermoplastic expansion process, including the part geometry and anisotropy of the local cell structure. The measurement of the fusion strength index has great importance in quality control processes because it can be directly correlated with the ability of the part to withstand point and distributed loads. During the development of technical EPS parts, simulations and laboratory tests are typically performed to map the critical regions. These regions are then inspected with the M20 EPS on both conforming and non-conforming parts. The data obtained allow process tolerances to be defined and a procedure for further quality control to be created for production runs. The M20 EPS fusion tester uses air electronic principle for evaluation of the fusion strength index in expanded thermoplastics. Sophisticated signal conditioning ensures high stability and repeatability of the readings. In the typical measurement process, the probe needle is inserted into the part, and the equipment detects the small flow restriction caused by the local cellular structure of the material. The obtained reading is represented between 0 and 100%, being 0% theoretical zero fusion and 100% integral cell fusion. Installation. After unpacking the product, position it on the measurement bench. On the rear panel, fit and thread the circular valve automation connector. Also connect the power cable, plugging it into the AC mains, voltage between 80 and 240 volts. Finally, connect the compressed air supply to the equipment. The mains pressure should be between 3 and 10 bars. To reduce impurities in the compressed air, it is recommended to install the filters, particulate and coalescing, Metrology F1. For taking measurements, it is necessary to connect a G20 measurement needle. Needles with a length between 20 mm and 1 meter are available. Different needles allow measurement on small parts and large EPS blocks. The connection is made via the front quick fitting. Small needle models can be positioned in the rest support when not in use. Measurement of large EPS blocks may require a guide hole for needle insertion. Our technical department will be available to evaluate your application. Calibration. The calibration process on the M20 EPS is simple. The operator must hold the needle with escape to atmosphere and press the CAL key. The equipment then automatically performs a cleaning cycle and activates the valves for detecting the two absolute calibration points. The process takes a few seconds, and then the equipment is ready for use. Measurement. In the typical M20 EPS application, the operator inserts the needle at predefined locations in the part. After insertion, the equipment automatically detects reading stability and generates a completion beep. The fusion strength index is indicated numerically and graphically, allowing quick separation of the parts. For complex parts, which typically show significant variations of the fusion strength index, it is possible to activate the statistical analysis of the equipment. A sample size is defined, and the equipment indicates in real time the mean and standard deviation observed for the obtained samples. This allows the operator to take several measurements in a localized region of the part, evaluating the average fusion strength index, as well as the index dispersion. Needle cleaning. In the event of needle obstruction by material residue, it is possible to start a cleaning cycle by pressing the clean key or through an external foot pedal, PE20 clean, connected to the digital input of the equipment. The cleaning process applies net pressure to the needle for a few seconds, expelling any fragments present in the needle. Data acquisition. The M20 EPS has communication interfaces, RS-232 and USB, for real-time data transmission. Connection to commercial, statistical process control software allows for real-time visualization of the capability of the production process. Data acquisition can also be performed for statistical and engineering analysis. More information about the M20 EPS is available at www.matrolog.net/M20EPS.